Hello, my beautiful friends. We are going to talk about the runestone Kenaz, which literally means torch, and it looks like a flashlight. I was thinking about like Pac-Man too, but it means torch, right? So the modern interpretations, of course, are torch, fire, craft and skill, health and healing, sexuality and passion, communication and inspiration, shadow work and transformation, and challenges and overcoming obstacles. So it's the stone is all about looking illumination. What is being shown to you? What is being highlighted for you to see? How are you a light to others? How is your light being dimmed for others? How are others' lights affecting you? How is their dimness affecting you? Some journal prompts to think about are like sparks of inspiration. What are you being inspired to do? What are you being shown? What's going on inside of you? What's driving you? How are you transforming through different challenges? I hike, and sometimes mountains are steep, and you're like dying on the way up to see this summit, and then you get up there and you're up there 20 seconds, and then you go back down again. But the journey and the experience and the huffing and puffing to get up to the mountain is worth it when you get there and you see a beautiful vista, right? So what is the lesson, and what are the benefits and the things that you're learning through the challenge? This is a time to think about shadows and light, and sort of, sometimes there's a real clear path. Sometimes you have your light is shining bright. Sometimes it's not. What's blocking it? If you're on a healing journey, or if you want to talk about creative expression, or, a spark in communication and between a few people or two people, this stone also talks about sexuality, and if that's, if that's an important topic for you to discuss in your journal, and how that's playing out, this is a place to do that. Or you can talk about impurities, thinking about a limiting belief, something that you shouldn't believe, but you do. Like, why do you believe that? Something, you can write about mastery and skill development if you're working on skills. And then, just think about how Kenaz is speaking. Good grief, sneezes sneak up on me. That was a sneak up sneeze. And then if there's, anything else that Kenaz is speaking to you, because Kenaz is a light for you too. So these are some ways to think about the torch and how it may apply to your life. So wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.